Hello everyone. Today we're going to take an in-depth look at this brand new 2016 Nissan Titan XD Crew Cab SV. This Titan is in cayenne red metallic. It has the beige cloth interior. And this vehicle is rear-wheel drive. It is powered by the 5-liter Cummins direct injection turbo diesel V8 engine. It is mated to a 6-speed Aisin automatic gearbox with manual shiftability. Body color rear bumper. You have a trailer receiver, 4 and 7 pin wiring harness. Front and rear ultrasonic parking sensors. It is also paired with a backup camera which activates in reverse and features stationary guidance lines. Does have a soft closing opening tailgate. Spray on bed liner. Cargo box storage. It is prepped for fifth wheel. .20-inch painted aluminum wheels. Sits on General Grabber HTS LT 265/60 R20 tires. Full-length running boards. Side view mirrors have LED turn repeaters. And up front you have a large chrome bumper with integrated parking sensors, fog lamps, and tow recovery hooks. And this vehicle is equipped with Nissan's intelligent key access. By keeping the key fob in your purse or pocket, you're able to easily lock and unlock the vehicle doors. To lock, simply locate the black button on the chrome door handle. 2 beeps will indicate locking. To unlock, simply press the button one more time. A single beep will indicate unlock. And inside we have power heated mirrors, power windows, and power door locks. Dual molded cup holders in the door panel, satin silver trim with chrome door handles, padded armrest, eight-way power driver's seat with 2-way adjustable lumbar support. Seats do have quilted inserts. Automatic headlamp control, instrument panel dim, trip reset. You've also got your fog lamps, 120 volt AC outlet, 150 watts or 400 watts, your cargo lamp controller. leather wrap tilt steering wheel. Alright, we're going to pan through the interior and show a little more detail. Satin silver trim on the steering wheel continues. Various buttons for audio controls, Bluetooth controls, trip computer controls, and cruise control. Complete instrumentation includes a 6,000 RPM tach, 140 mph speedometer, fuel level, and coolant temperature. You've also got a multicolor display screen in the center of the gauge cluster. It is controlled by these two buttons. As you can see, you have auxiliary gauges, Alright, take a look at the center stack. As you can see, this vehicle is equipped with navigation. It also has Sirius XM satellite radio, single disc CD player. Moving down, automatic dual zone climate control, buttons for your stability control, parking sensors, and you also have your blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, integrated trailer brake control, USB auxiliary input, a 12-volt power point here, as well as here. Heated front seat controls, nice large dual front cup holders. They are removable. Generous amount of storage in the center console. And you have a nice large padded armrest, which features more storage. There's also a 12-volt power point inside. Taking a look overhead, you have an automatic dimming rearview mirror with 3-channel home linking reversal garage door opener, compass display, nice large sunglasses holder. You've also got overhead map lights, power sliding rear window control, large sun visors with illuminated vanity mirrors, sliding visors, and dampened overhead assist handles. Alright, now look at the rear seat. Dual cup holders molded in the door trim continue in the back seat as well. The soft touch accents. Nice large back seat is a 60/40 split folding seat. You have adjustable head restraints on the outboard seats. Fold down center armrest, dual cup holders. A nice large rear console with 2 cup holders, positional air vents with panel distribution, and your power point. Relatively flat floor, a nice one-piece rear carpet, 2 sections in the seat back map rest. Alright, and this does conclude our quick look at the brand new 2016 Nissan Titan XD Crew Cab. And as always, thanks for watching.